Today we've got the Galaxy adapters and we've got the Galaxy Watch Classic here. So Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. These adapters will fit on the 4, 5, 6 as well as 7, but not the Ultra. And these will fit every single version, regardless of what size you have, as long as it's the 4, 5, 6 or 7. So the thing to note is that you can't just slide it directly like this. These are wider on the edges, so it's not going to fit in. So what you need to do is flip your watch over like this and then insert it on the top and slightly on an angle, and then it'll fit in just like that. But what we're going to do first now is get these spring bars, slide it through these gaps here, and again put it through the back on an angle, slide that spring bar in, and then the other one at the same time, and then it should snap into place like that. And again on the other side, do the exact same thing. So slide it through, and from the back we'll insert it then. To press the levers, and make sure that it's snapped into place. And that's how they look.